In the last session, we have already completed guidelines that an interviewer should follow. Now, in this lecture, we will see guidelines that an interviewee needs to follow. Okay. I'm sharing the screen. You please tell me if it is visible or not. It's loading.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
is, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. All right. I think the screen is visible and we can start the answer. Last session we have seen, na, students, how an interviewer has to keep the interview very professional, to the point, try to keep specific questions. Okay, look for information or answers from a candidate relating to the job responsibilities or areas. Then we have seen that the interviewer should also make sure that he is not biased. Okay, and he's planning the interview, he's deciding the questions well in advance. Okay, he's giving time to an interviewee or the candidate to think and answer, right? So we have seen all those guidelines. Now moving on to guidelines for interviewees. Okay, now this answer is important for all of you, as you are going to appear for interviews after your TY, right? Or maybe now also, in case you're looking up for internship or something like that. I think these guidelines are going to be very helpful. So let us understand the guidelines for the candidates or interviewees. I think मैं अपने last session में read किया था. सरिता आप read करेंगे बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, then we can start from here. Guidelines for interviewees. Point number one.
First impression is important. The correct appearance is of vital significance. Even if the employer has a relaxed dress code, the interview must be smartly dressed for the interview. Has it indicates how much importance is given by the interview for that particular position applied for.
I think extremely important. Students, see, when you go for an interview, you need to understand that your outfits, your conduct, your personality, everything matters. Okay. And the first appearance, usually we say, na, the first impression is the last and the lasting impression, right? So very important that, your appearance should be professional. You are dressed up in formals, and even if your interviewer is very much relaxed with the dress code, फोन पे उन्होंने आपको बोला होगा कि it's okay, you just come down for the interview, casuals में भी आओगे तो भी चलेगा. So but then you should know that even if the interviewer is relaxed, but it's your responsibility to make sure that you appear very professional. Okay, इससे क्या शो होता है that the candidate is seriously looking up for a job. Okay, he is very much concerned for the position he is applying for, right? So I think we should you, if you all are going for interviews, please make sure that you are dressed up in the proper formal outfits. Okay, of course, if you're applying for a key position, बड़े position के लिए जब apply करते हो after your experience, years of experience in a relevant industry, then you can think of color combination कैसा होना चाहिए, fabric कैसा होना चाहिए, your watch कैसी होनी चाहिए. ये सारी चीजें वो stage पे आती है. But for your initial career stage, I think you can at least pay attention to your formal outfits. Okay, you should wear decent clothes. Okay, it should not be very loud in color. I think girls who are appearing for interviews, if they can wear normal kurta and salwar kurta with dupatta, a cotton fabric one, and which is not having too much designs. Okay, it's not very loud in color like red, blue, pink. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be subtle color, maybe a off-white color or a baby pink color. Okay, sky blue color. Okay, something like that. Okay, and your sandals should also be very smart. You should try and avoid wearing heels or fancy kind of sandals. You should also avoid too much of accessories like bangles or earrings, those big earrings, and too much of makeup. No, you should not do that. You should keep it very simple. Okay, maybe just one kajal will be enough. And yeah, I think this is how you should. This shows your professionalism. For boys also, I think when you go for the interview, smart formals with proper shoes, being properly polished shoes, and a smart watch, simple smart watch. Okay, and haircut also should be short and simple. Okay, should avoid beards. Okay, when you're going for the interview, I think you should be not a clean shaven name, but decently shaved. Okay, I think that will make your appearance look very professional, right? And I think this is how you can put your first impression in front of the interviewer about your personality. Okay, I think वहाँ पे ही आपको एक अच्छा score मिल जाता है, because your personality will definitely bring lot of confidence in you. Okay, and the interviewer will also be very happy to see you like this. Okay, so do that. Okay, let us see point number 2, which is piercing and tattoos. All right.
Piercing and tattoos. This is a very sensitive subject. Tattoos and over piercing at times shows a very casual attitude, rendering the interview unfit for the work culture.
Yes, because I think organizations wouldn't want to endorse any kind of religious belief or any kind of cultural belief or something like that. Because most of the time when you do too much of tattoos, भगवान का टैटू बनाते हैं कुछ लोग कुछ मंत्र का टैटू बनाते हैं. All these things are not advisable when you appear for interviews, because and also it's a very sensitive subject. We really cannot talk much on it because it is one's individual's choice, right? उसे क्या टैटू बनाना है या क्या पियर्सिंग करना है. I think boys doing nose piercing and ear piercing would look very awkward, okay, and very weird. I Nowadays I think there's a lot of eyebrow piercing होता है, tongue piercing होता है. पता नहीं why people. Okay, that is their individual choice, but you cannot go for an interview with that. Okay, that will not look professional. That will not give a good sign of. Sir, this is my personal opinion, but see, even the textbook is saying that it resembles a bit of casual attitude, and the interviewer might think that this is kind of unfit for the work culture. यहाँ पे ये जॉब करने आए हैं या फिर वो ये इतना you know you you're here to work, right? You're not here in the company to show your fashion sense. So I think piercing and tattoos इसके ऊपर भी ध्यान देना चाहिए before you go for the interviews. If there's a tattoo in your hand, you can wear a full sleeves shirt or a full sleeves kurta. Girls can wear like that. Okay, and try and avoid putting up tattoos and piercing, since you all are young. And let me tell you, there are certain jobs where tattoos are not allowed at all. I think for government job, if you have tattoos in your body, you are not eligible then to apply for the job. So don't get excited in this young age and don't put up tattoos so early. Okay, ink on your skin is a good sign. I think it for those who apply tattoos, I think huge respect to them also, because it takes a lot of courage to put up a ink on your body for permanent basis. But yet again, guys, I certainly feel don't take such quick decisions in your life. Okay, and when you appear for interviews, this all things might become hurdles. Okay, so piercing and tattoos should be avoided. Girls also, when ear piercing वो पूरा कान में नहीं, क्या चार पांच पियर्सिंग करते हैं, फिर वो पूरा उसको डायमंड से भर देंगे. ऐसे सारी चीजें will not really bring any positive thing to you in your interview. In fact, the interviewer might consider it, something unrequired, and will consider it as a very casual attitude. So, piercing and tattoos should be taken care of. Okay, point number 3.
Arrive five minutes earlier. This will give the interviewer enough time to relax, check his her appearance, and ready any notes if any. It's also given them to chance a glance through any corporate literature displayed in reception. It will also ensure that the interviewee has done all possible things to start the interview on time.
I tell you my personal experience. Whenever my interview is for schedule, I make sure that I visit the place and I reach the place at least 1 hour before. Okay, so that I'm prepared. I am taking a little break at the reception. If I want, I'm going to the washroom. Okay, I'm fresh. I take a freshen up over there, and I see my appearance. Okay, and importantly, there are few codes and company's mission and vision or any other details that they might be displaying in the reception area. I read that. I think you also should take a note of this because when you appear for the interview, हो सकता है आपका इंटरव्यूअर आपको ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे कि आपने कंपनी का कुछ मिशन विजन या कुछ ऐसा डिस्प्ले रीड किया क्या रिसेप्शन प्लेस पे, अगर आप वहां पे नो बोल देंगे, so I think it is going to be a negative marking because see when you are there at the reception place and when there are contents displayed around, it's I think we should read it. Okay, it is about the company. You know, and in case if you say to the interviewer, no, I did not read that. इससे क्या project होता है that you were in the reception waiting very nervous. You are underconfident and you were not sure to about or you were not very confident about appearing for the interview. ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो ये project करे, right? So it's very important that you reach early. Though the textbook is saying 5 minutes early, you try to reach at least 30 minutes early, okay, at the venue, all right? Because many a times in corporate offices, it's also difficult to find out where exactly the interview is happening. So make sure that you reach early so that you take out some time at the reception place. You see your fellow, candidates who will be appearing for the interview along with you. So you get a chance to do a kind of bit observation before you appear for the interview. So reach early. That's better. And then point number 4.
Make sure to know the interviewer's name and position in the company. The interviewer must know the brief history and the background of the organization, key roles played in the position in which she has applied.
I feel this is extremely important. Please, student, make a note of it. Whenever you are going for the interview, you are doing a little bit study and research about the company, about the position that you are applying for, and what exactly the interviewer is looking out for. Okay. So read the job descriptions thoroughly. Okay. कंपनी के बारे में थोड़ा रीड करके जाओ, कंपनी का वेबसाइट चेक करो, अंडरस्टैंड द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द कंपनी, द ओनर्स नेम, okay, what the company is dealing into about products and services, which all countries or which all localities the, the company is having its branches. Okay, I think ये सब चीजें study करके जाना चाहिए. Okay, so it helps you to question if they are asking something, you can answer that question. Also, it will Sheikh Mohammed, roll number 32. Mute yourself, please. Uh, After this lecture is over, I want Mohammed to please give me a caller. Roll number 32. I repeat, roll number 32 will give me a call after this lecture. Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
discussing that, you should always do a little bit research and study about the organization before applying for the interview. All right. Or before visiting the office or organization for appearing the interview. All right. The interviewer might ask you some questions and you should be able to answer. ऐसा ब्लैंक नहीं रखना चाहिए. अगर आपको पूछा इंटरव्यूअर ने टेल व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट दिस कंपनी, हम किस में डील करते हैं, आप वहां पे बोलोगे नो आई डोंट नो, तो फिर कैसे चलेगा ना. द इंटरव्यूअर के सामने आप एक नेगेटिव साइन चला जाएगा दैट यू आर not prepared, you are just interested in the job that you are applying for. Okay, it should not be like that. So do a little bit of preparation. Okay, point number 5.
Confident gestures. On meeting the interviewer must maintain a good eye contact and a firm handshake, which conveys a feeling of confidence. Example, the interview must not slouch when offered a seat.
Yeah, I think very important that your body language, your gestures, they all play very important role. when you meet the interviewer, you greet the interviewer, please. You start with good morning or good afternoon, like this. I think male to male can also have a shake hand. Okay, this will show that you are very confident. Okay, and keep an eye contact, because you are there to appear for the interview, and if you are capable and if you have knowledge, you should not be nervous. Okay, अगर आप eye contact नहीं रखोगे ना, तो interviewer आपको judge करेगा कि ये क्यों इतना डर रहा है, right? So make sure that you keep an eye contact. Okay, and um I think this is a little debatable also. मैंने काफी बार, मतलब even a girl interviewee can shake hand with the male interviewer. Okay, it's very professional, and you are there for an interview, and you can definitely by doing this, you project that you are very confident about yourself, and you are also confident to work in the organization where there are male staff. Okay, and of course interviewee must not slouch when offered a seat. मतलब कि आप है ना उससे uncomfortable होना या फिर unsure होना, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. When you're offered a seat, you should be very confidently sitting on that seat, right? You should not feel uncomfortable that point of time. Usually ऐसा होता है, candidates को जब बोलते हैं please take a seat, तो उस टाइम पे आप जब वो चेयर को पुल करके बैठते हो, उस टाइम पे आप कितना शेक हो रहे हो, या फिर आप कितना डर रहे हो, कितना नर्वस हो रहे हो, कितने कॉन्फिडेंटली बैठ रहे हो, वो सब चीज नोटिस करता है ना इंटरव्यूअर. ही इज ऑब्जर्विंग एवरी माइन्यूट थिंग राइट फ्रॉम द टाइम यू एंटर इनसाइड द केबिन. आई थिंक उसके पहले भी आप जब नॉक करते हो ना, वो भी नोटिस करता है ना एचआर, वो जब आप कैसे नॉक कर रहे हो. ओके, एंड देन हाउ यू स्टेप इनसाइड. ओके, डू यू से सम may I please come in? ऐसा बोलते हो कि आप directly enter करते हो? How it is? See, all these things are very small things which you should make a note of. Okay, your confidence will definitely help you to be a to make some additional scores in your interview, right? So yes, I think confidence gestures is another one guideline. Moving on to point number 6.
Prepare thoroughly for the interview. The interview must anticipate some of the questions likely to be asked and must also go through company's website to find out about their background structure, services, etc. The interview must not only ensure his or her preparation to answer in depth the technical questions related to particular skills and experience, but also prepare questions to be asked for the interviewer.
Okay. You should always go prepared for the interview, of course. If, for example, if you're applying for an account executive, you should always do preparation. Types of accounts kya hai, accounting standards kya hai, and also these are few things which you should be prepared about, right? And then you should also go through the website of the company, the background and structure or services offered by the company, because you can expect this question might be asked by the interviewer. So do the research and study about the organization. Okay, and then also, apart from preparing on questions that you know that the interviewer is going to ask you, you should also prepare a list of questions that you are going to ask to the interviewer. Okay, अगर आप कैंडिडेट हो तो आप सिर्फ क्वेश्चन सुनकर आंसर करने जा रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आपके पास में भी कुछ वैलिड क्वेश्चन होने चाहिए, but that should be logical. Don't ask any stupid question, please. Okay, ask something very relevant. Okay, make a list of questions that probably you would want to ask to the interviewer, but then ये सारे लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस को शॉर्टलिस्ट करो. ओके, इसमें से कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जिसको मुझे डेफिनेटली इंटरव्यूअर को पूछना चाहिए. Okay, then I think this shows that the interviewee is seriously looking up for the job. Okay, and is coming well prepared. Okay, so this is one thing that you need to make a note of. Then point number 7.
Ask questions during the interview. The interviewee must ask the question prepared before the interview. The demonstration interest in the job as well as in the company.
I think very important, as I said you in the previous step also, that if you are asking question as a candidate, I will feel that oh, you're seriously looking up for a job. Okay, it shows your interest in my company. Okay, so it's always advisable that you also ask few questions to the interviewer, but please make a note, don't ask any funny, weird or nonsense question. Okay, ask something logical, something meaningful. Okay, मतलब आपको कुछ पूछना है तो कुछ भी पूछना है ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should have some relevant questions. Okay, so I think, if, for example, if you're applying for a job and the company is having its presence in the international market, so put sir, do I have any opportunity to fly overseas and work for the branch which is located in the international market? ये एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. इंटरव्यूअर को क्या लगेगा, अरे वाह, द कैंडिडेट इज थिंकिंग सो, इतना आगे का सोच रहे हैं, ही इज थिंकिंग सो मच, far sighted कि what if I get selected? What if I'm working with you? Will you give me chance to work in the branch which is there in the foreign country? इससे क्या project होता है that you are seriously interested in the job. Okay, you look upon to the job and you are well prepared to join the company. So I think yes, you should always ask questions during the interview. Don't just listen the question and answer. You also ask the question. Okay, point number 8.
Study one's CV thoroughly. To test one's communication skills, an interviewer may ask the candidate to give a verbal account of their background. It is very practice that one will be able to deliver such information concisely, smoothly, and in logical order. Such verbal account allows one to emphasize on the area of one's background that are relevant to the specific job position.
Yes, I feel this is again very important and very interesting. You should read your own resume before submitting to the company, because it's very important to go through what you have written in your resume, right? And apart from this, students, you should know that your communication skills are going to be judged. Just in case if you're not well prepared and if you have not read your resume, there are high chances you will have to think before you talk. And when you do that, you might fumble yani atakna. You might find it very difficult to construct the sentences. And I think only when you are doing a little bit of preparation and study before going for the interview, it will surely help you to deliver your speech or answers, not, if not very accurately, at least appropriately, right? आप जो बोलना चाह रहे हो वो आप एकदम ढंग से बोल पा रहे हो, right? So I think this is something again very important. Okay, read your resume thoroughly. Then point number 9.
Listen carefully. The interviewee must listen carefully to the question raised by the employer and tactfully answer the same.
As a candidate, you should know one thing before answering the question. Please be sure what is the question all about. Okay, please be sure what the question is asking for. अगर एक पर्टिकुलर चीज पूछा गया है, डोंट कीप योर आंसर्स इन सागा. लंबा लंबा आंसर्स मत देते जाओ. Okay, your interviewer is not interested to know how good you are able to talk or how good you are able to construct the sentences and put across in the interview. खाली कम्युनिकेशन देखने के लिए वो इंटरव्यू नहीं कंडक्ट हो रहा है, राइट? So listen very carefully to the questions that have been asked, okay, and try to answer them all appropriately. Okay, so listen the question carefully. And if in case you are not sure about the question, you can at any time you can ask the interviewer to pardon. Sir, can you please repeat the question as I did not got your question? Before answering anything, please get sure about the question. कोई भी वेग आंसर मत देना, मतलब हवे वाली बातें मत करो. Okay, don't give a vague answer. Please be sure about the question and then you answer them. And the last one.
The interviewee must have an extremely positive attitude. Before the interview ends, the interviewee makes sure that all the relevant experience have been mentioned to the interviewer and seek clarification where necessary. If the interviewee is new on the position, it may reinforce before she leaves. The candidate must ask the interviewer about what would be the next step and when the decision would be known to them. At last, they must not forget to thank the interviewer.
I think very important that your that in the last I think the last part of your interview, when you're leaving the cabin, you should thank the interviewer for sparing his time you should always share your experience of the interview. Okay, again, that should be short and simple. It should not be very lengthy. Okay, and before the interview ends, you should always make sure that you are leaving the cabin with positivity. High chances, students, when you appear for the interviews, might be the interviewer is rude to you at times because he is doing his job. He is trying to put you into a stressful situation. आपने study किया ना types of interviews में, so you should never take it personally. You should always consider it as a test on you. Okay, and leave with a positive note. Okay, you might be appearing for interviews at 10 places. Not on all the 10 places you will be selected. Okay, there might be companies which are looking for much refined and filtered candidates. So it's always advisable to be very positive. Even if you're not selected, be thankful to the interviewer. Okay, and in case if you feel during the conversation, if you feel that the interviewer sounds to be positive about you, तो आपको उसको पूछना चाहिए what is going to be the next step. Okay, and in case the interviewer is telling you, we will let you know, we will inform you over the telephone, or we will get back to you. ऐसा अगर कोई interviewer बोलता है, तो you have to understand that, see, nobody can say you, I can't select you, okay, or you are rejected. ऐसा कोई आपको बोलने नहीं वाला है. They try to use different words. They choose different words to convey this. Okay. तो वहां पे ना स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स क्या करते हैं, नहीं आप मुझे कब बताओगे, पक्का आप कॉल करेंगे ना, ऐसा अप्रोच नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. If you feel that you have not made it, you have to tell yourself it's okay. Okay, reassure yourself that you are capable and you can apply for the apply in the other companies as well. Okay, do not get disheartened or demotivated in case your initial interviews are not going up to the mark. Okay, see, everyone is I think every one of us are uh, capable, and we always are doing our best. Okay, आप जितने बार interviews apply करते हो और interviews देते हो, okay, I'm very sure आप लोग time pass के लिए तो करते नहीं हो ये, right? Who does this for a time pass? Okay, so if you do not make it through, it is fine. Okay, it's okay, all right, no problem. There's always another chance, another opportunity, another company. Okay, you should always tell yourself it's all right. If not, you did not meet it, it's fine. I think nowadays HRs are also becoming quite conscious about being sensitive to people. In the olden days, students, you will not believe me, ऐसा time होता था जब HR resume इसका टेबल पे फेंक देते थे, ये क्या है, किसको बुलाया है, ये एलिजिबल भी नहीं है, ये कैसा resume, कौन है ये, ऐसे. They used to literally throw the resumes on the table. Okay, I think those days are gone. Okay, and the companies have now realized to be more sensitive and human towards people. Okay, so अगर आप interviews के लिए apply करते हो, तो be very patient enough. Okay, give your best, all right, but always have a positive attitude. This is what is a last guideline, that always have a positive attitude. Okay, and thank the interviewer because he had spared his time. Okay, and he's conducted the interview, so you should always thank the interviewer. I hope there is no doubt in the answer,
No, ma'am.
and it's very simple to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What about others?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Okay. Thank you for your confirmation. Which brings me to one small conclusion before I wind up the lecture. Guys, after this pandemic, yeah, I think it is going to be extremely difficult to take up jobs in good companies, because good companies are only going to hire very talented people, and alone graduation is not enough. Okay, please start working on your self development. Okay, and as I said, okay, always have a positive attitude. There are times when people appear for 20, 30 interviews also, and they do not make it. Okay, and then they still keep trying, because that is what is life is all about. You should always keep trying. Okay, and but every time when you are trying, you should not try with the same set of skills. Okay, try to improvise and then try. Okay, आप है ना, जब स्टार्टिंग के 4-5 इंटरव्यूज क्रैक नहीं कर पाते हो, तो आपको समझना होगा व्हाट आर द रीजंस. ओके, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि इंटरव्यू क्रैक नहीं हो पा रहा है, या कहाँ पे लैकिंग है. फिर खुद पे काम करो, इम्प्रोवाइज करो, एंड देन स्टार्ट अपीयरिंग for interviews again. I met one of my student in 2018, and he said me that, ma'am, I have applied for like 27 places. I have applied for interviews, and after 27, companies and 27 interviews lined up, I got the job finally after 4 months. Okay, so you can just imagine how it is, how realistic the real world is not going to be so lenient. Like right now, you are having leniency in attending the lectures, or leniency with your family members. अभी वो time अभी आप enjoy कर रहे हो. बात तो real world जो होगा ना, वो इतना easy, इतना simple नहीं होगा. Okay, so I'll just give you one small example. My younger brother, he's just joined his internship recently, and he got it with a lot of difficulty. And then one day his college has asked the students to come and collect the mark sheet. Okay, and the student only has to collect the mark sheet. The student have to countersign in the register and collect the mark sheet. So he requested his HR that, can I take a leave? So but the HR ne kya bola? No, you take a half day and you come. So it was very surprising because he stays in Chembur. He has to travel to Sion SIES, and then he has to go to Nahur to his ऑफिस. कैसे होएगा इतना सारा कुछ, वो भी हाफ डे, मतलब you have to reach before 1 o'clock. So he was very tense and worried. Okay, so that time the company is just trying to test you. Okay, कि आप हाँ बोलोगे या ना बोलोगे. He said, okay, I will come. And then उसको पता था कि उतना जल्दी तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा. So once he collected the mark sheet, he called up his HR again and he said, I've collected my mark sheet and I'm leaving from here. It will take another 1 hour, 45 minutes or so for me to reach the office. So HR ने बोला, no, you can take a leave and you can report to the office tomorrow. Okay. So just want to tell you, the real world is not going to be so cooperative with you. All right, have a positive attitude and continue with your dedication. I think the session will get over in next 30 seconds or so. Let me mark the attendance. All right, guys. You all have a nice day ahead. I meet you soon in the next class. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye bye.